Hi there, students. Hello, students. Good afternoon, students. Notice these three are semantically slightly different. This video is about semantics. Semantics is the study of words and their meaning, of their history, of how changing different words can give a different meaning to things, or how changing the syntax, the order of the words, can change how somebody interprets what something means. Okay, so semantics is about the meaning of language, of how it is put together and how people react to that. Semantics also involves the history of words and how the meaning changes over time, and how maybe different groups of people understand psychologically different words or different phrases or different statements in different ways. One of the reasons I don't like students translating, because the feeling of a word in one language is not necessarily the same feeling for that word in another language. There's a change of how that word or that phrase is accepted or interpreted. So, for example, Latin people are very direct, whereas English people are much less direct. So being direct in a Latin language is normal. Being indirect in English is normal again. Okay, but the other way around, English people think if you're being direct, you're being rude, and Latin people think if you're being indirect, maybe you're being ironic. Okay, so semantics. Okay, you can have lexical semantics. This is about the choice of words. So at the beginning I said, hi there, students. Hi there is quite informal. Yeah, all of these phrases are greetings, but they're interpreted by the listener in a slightly different way. Hi there, quite informal. Hello, students. This is a more formal greeting. Yeah, I could say, how you doing? This is really quite informal. Good afternoon. Okay, this is really very formal. Yeah, but then notice with semantics, the body language, the look on your face, the volume, the speed, and many other things are also involved, because these change how the listener interprets a message. Very often when you say a phrase, you can use different tenses with more or less the same meaning. I worked all day today. I've worked all day today. At the end of the day, both of those, the message is the same. But maybe I worked all day today has an idea of something, you finished working and that's it. Whereas I have worked all day, either there is something in the present that you want to mention about your work, there is some relevance in the present, and these are semantic differences. So, semantics, the meaning of words. Computer languages have a different syntax to mean the same thing. So in different computer languages you could write A plus B equals C, or in your program, and there are different semantic ways of doing that in different languages. So semantics is how people interpret your message. For example, advertising is normally very positive, so it's semantically positive. it normally tries to imply the idea that the product is good value for money. It implies that the product will be very useful to you, and that it's something you need or really would like to have. And all of these ideas you can convey, you can give to the listener by the choice of words that you use, by the body language involved, by the way the words are presented. And all of these things add up to semantics. So two things can be semantically different. Sofa and couch. For British people, if you say sofa, that's really rather working class. Whereas, sorry, it's the wrong way around. If you say couch, for British people, the word couch is semantically working class. Whereas the word sofa, semantically, is much posher. So, if you wanted to sound posh, then you need to use words that are semantically posh. They give the mental impression that this is something high class, something that only the high and mighty would have. So this is the idea of semantics. It's the way that a message is conveyed and the impact of that message on the listener. Because you can say the same things in many, many, many different ways. And the overall message is the same thing. However, how somebody feels about that, how they interpret it, and the type of memory that they remember about this afterwards is down to the semantics, how you structure it, how you choose your words. Okay, I think that's probably enough. Semantics is quite a difficult subject. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.